Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to access the cPanel terminal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started managing your account. So if you're not already, go ahead and create a new account, and if you have one, just go ahead and log in, and after logging in successfully, you can get started setting up cPanel on your computer. So once you have set everything up and you open a cPanel, you'll be greeted by this dashboard right here that looks like this, where you can go ahead and access your email options, you have your file manager, your databases, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to access the terminal. Basically, as you can see right here on the official cPanel website, we have an article on how you access the command line. So here is the overview of how we can access everything we need and how we can get started accessing the command line. So basically, access the command line interface following the steps right here. We can connect to cPanel and VHM with the CLE. So you can follow the steps right here that you can use for accessing the command line using your username and your root address. So by following all the steps you can find in the article right here, you'll be able to open up the terminal on your computer and your command prompt where you can get started with inputting commands for your server. So just follow the steps right here. You'll be able to find everything in your dashboard right here and get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.